What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So if you're new, make sure to subscribe for more tech and money related videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can order your Yango ride using your mobile application. So without wasting much time, let's hop straight into the video. So I'm going to launch my Yango app. So those of you that are not familiar, Yango is an application that is used to order taxi services. So it's easy and efficient in the sense that it comes straight to where you are to drop you to your exact destination where you're going. And also the prices are reasonable depending on how far you're going. So it's quite easy and straightforward to order a Yango. I'll show you on how you can go about that. Where it's saying where to, that's where you click. So I'll click on that. You can simply type the location where you want to go to. So let's say for instance, I want to go to town. It's going to bring me the route that is going to be used to get me to town. So as you can see, the nearest taxi in my area is about 2 minutes away. From where I am in Makeni going to town, if I use economy, it's going to cost me 89 kwacha. And if I use comfort, it's going to cost me 104 kwacha. You simply click on where it's saying press to request. It's going to show you the number plate of the car coming to pick you up. It's going to show you a small picture of the driver in the car, and it's also going to tell you the color of the car. So just be on the lookout of the number plate and also on how the driver looks like. So that's basically how you can order Yango. And if it's your first time using the app, there is what's called promo code. So instead of you ordering this ride at 89 or 104, you can order this ride at a reduced fee if it's your first 3 times. So how do you reduce the price? So I'll go back, and then on my top there are those 3 lines. I'll click on them. So as you can see there, it's saying gifts and discounts. So I'll click on that. So the first way in which you can reduce the price at which you are ordering your Yango, as we saw, there was 89 there and 104, so that can be reduced to half. And how can that be done is by clicking on get discount. So you get discounts if you copy this code, you share it to someone who already has a Yango application, and then when they order a Yango using your promo code, you are going to get a 50% discount on the next Yango that you are going to order. So it's based on the condition that the person you share your code to orders a Yango, and then that's when you can be able to get a 50% discount on the ride that you are going to order. So what's the other way in which you can reduce the price? So there's where it's saying enter promo code. So promo code only works 3 times on each account. So if you've never used promo code before, you simply get a promo code from whoever has a promo code. Of course, we see these guys on Facebook saying no, Yango promo code, this and that and that. Obviously, social media influencers mostly are the ones who come into partnership with Yango to partner on things like promo codes and whatnot. So you can simply go through social media and find whoever has a promo code, copy that promo code, come and paste it in here and click on activate. Go back and type the location where you're going to. Once it brings you that, you're going to notice that the amount is going to be reduced because you've entered the promo code. So that's basically on how you can reduce the amount of money. So first is by promo code, second is by getting a discount by sharing your own promo code. And if the person orders a ride, you get a 50% discount. So that's basically on how you can order a Yango. So thank you so much for sticking out this far. Stay safe, and I'll check you out in the next video. Peace.